Hi, welcome to this platform, and if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell in order to get notified when next I post a new video. If you're watching this on my Facebook page, ensure that you share the video, comment on the video, and tag others that may find the same video very much beneficial. This is your tutor, Mr. Sensor, and in our exam build-up lesson today, we're going to focus on a topic called an arithmetic progression, a subtopic that is under sequences and series. And in this case, we're going to try using a 2022 Gce exam, which was only requesting to find the number on the 60th position, being the 60th term, as well as the formula for the nth term. It says for the sequence 5, 12, 19. We're going to find that when it comes to paper 1, the sequence that is going to be given will either be following the rule of subtraction or addition depending on its nature. In this case, we have a 12, which means before I have 5, then 12, then 19. We are supposed to name our numbers as the first term, the second term, then we are supposed also to have that is the third term. Find the 60th term. The first important thing is to clearly tell the common difference. The common difference is the number that is either added to the existing number to get the following number, in the sense that if this is 5 and then this is 12, if this is T1, this is T2, this is T3. If I want that is the common difference, I'm supposed to subtract two consecutive numbers, the number that is ahead minus the number that was before. It means if I pick T2, I should subtract with T1. If I pick T3, I should subtract with T2. So if I say T2 minus T1, I'm going to find that the common difference is the number on T2, that is a 12, minus the number on T1, that is a 5, and thereby I'm going to have that is a 7. In the sense that if I say 5 plus 7, it's 12, 12 plus 7, that is 19, which means common difference. The number is the same, that is added throughout. So A, find the 60th term. Either you can continue by adding a 7 until you reach on the 60th position, but rather we can use a formula because it's not always that the number's position that can be asked will be that simple. So we're going to find that the first thing is we're going to identify A. When we identify A, this is the first number. So our first number here is 5, and we're going to identify our D. If not, we're going to find it in this way. So our common difference is going to be a 7, because 12 minus 5 is 7, 19 minus 12 is 7. Then we're also going to identify where the number we are finding lies on, and it says 60th position. So it means n is 6. So we're now going to say that is on A, we're going to say Tn equals to A plus n minus 1, then open brackets, close brackets, D. We're going to say T, where there is n, we're going to replace with a 6. So we're going to say T6 equals, what is A? This is 5 plus, open brackets, A is 6 minus 1. Then our D is going to be a 7. Then we're going to say T6 equals to, then this is going to be 5 plus, make sure you subtract, and the number you get multiplies the scalar, that's when you can add here. So I'm going to say 6 minus 1 is going to give us a 5, then this is a 7, so T6 is going to give us, that is 5, then plus 5 times, that is 7, is going to give us, that is a 35. So this one will give us a 35, so T6 is going to be 5 plus 35 is going to give us a 40. So the number on the 60th position, that is a 40. Make sure that you identify your A, you identify your D, you also identify the exact position. Then on B we are trying to say the nth term. The nth term in this case is the number that lies on the unknown position. Rather, in the other language, the nth term is just the formula that brings about the existing numbers already in the sequence. So A will still be the same, D will still be the same, but N this time around, it means we're not given, and as a result, it means here we're going to take N as N. Because when we say 60, it means N is 60. 10th, it means N is 10. Which means if it is N, we take N as N, though it is unknown. So we're going to say N is N. So we say T, N equals to A plus, then this is going to be open brackets, N minus 1, then T. So we're going to say T, while there is N, we'll replace with an N, which is equal to, while there is A, we're going to replace with a 5. So we're going to say 5 plus, while there is N, is the same thing we already replaced here, which means we'll maintain N minus 1, and then while there is a D, we're going to replace with a 7. Having reached on that stage in an exam for paper 1, it's important to create a recheck where you would probably see if you've substituted correctly. So we're going to say Tn equals to 5, then plus this number can multiply or should multiply all the components inside the brackets. If it confuses you where it is on maybe placed here, you can be able to place it here and maintain the brackets in order to have a correct type of multiplication. So I say Tn equals to, this and that is just the same. I've just displaced this number and placed it here. So 5 plus 7 times n is going to give us 7n minus 7 times 1 is a 7. The reason I've said minus, it's because positive times negative is a negative. I can collect like 10. So I'm going to say Tn equals to, this is the same as 7n, then plus, this is a 5 minus 7. So Tn is going to give us 7n, then 5 minus 7 is going to give us negative 2. So the answer is 7n minus 2. That is the formula for the nth term. And for the oncoming exams, be it for the internal or external grade 12 fine exam, this can really help out in terms of an exam preparation, and I hope you're going to ensure that you grab a paper and relate it to other exam papers in order to create self-reliance and self-dependence, and at the end of the day, emerge victoriously over the exam. Ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and share it to others that may also find the same videos on this platform, either the YouTube channel or the Facebook page, very much beneficial, and at the end of the day, contribute to their success in an exam. This has been your tutor, Mr. Sensor. Stay focused, stay determined, solve often, and ensure that you believe in yourself. Till in the next time, for now, it's a very goodbye.